Hello guys, let's learn some colors name. Sky blue color, yellow color, pink color, dark blue color, purple color, red color, dark green color, light green color, violet color, orange color. Today we are trying to learn some alphabets. A, B, C, D. A for X. B for butterfly. C for candy. D for door. E for eye. F for fan. G for goat. H for house. I for insect. J for jar. K for knife. L for lychee. M for monkey. N for nest. O for ox. P for pineapple. Q for question. R for ring. S for sky. T for train. U for university. V for vulture. W for wax. X for X-ray. Y for yak. Z for zoo. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in next videos. Bye bye. Okay, kids, let's learn some colors name. Light green color, orange color, dark green color, brown color, yellow color, sky blue color, dark blue color, purple color, pink color, red color, black color, violet color. Today we are trying to learn some alphabets and shapes. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J. Square, circle, triangle, heart, star. A for avocado. B for broccoli. C for cauliflower. D for dragon fruit. E for eggplant. F for fruits. G. G for grapes. H. H for honey. I for ice. J. J for jam. Let's try to draw some shapes. Square. Circle. Triangle. Heart. Star. Red color. Orange color. Yellow color. Light green color. Sky blue color. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J. Square, circle, triangle, heart, star. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next videos. Bye bye.